Maybe it's me to say about it. What has stripped the men of God? What has stripped the apostles, the prophets, the teachers, the pastors is in the church. It's among us. It's among us. It's the altar we tolerated. We didn't want to be controversial. The Lord revealed to us the Azazel spirit, the Baphomet spirit that came into the church. And we said, no, I want to mind my business. We allowed it. It looked harmless. It began prospering. It began inviting us to eat with Baal. It began sowing seeds in us. It began prophesying. It began giving us cars. It began giving us houses. Then we lost our wives. Then we lost our children. Then we lost our money. It's the altar of Jezebel that must be destroyed. And there must be a Jehu coming in the name of Jesus. There must be one who will not fear the system, who do not want even validation, who do not even want status. Your assignment in your city is to wage war and destroy the altar of Jezebel, because the altar of Jezebel is not just in a physical place, it is in a person. She feeds the prophets, the apostles, on her breasts. She gives them power, and they become rich without power, without the power of God. She opens opportunities for them to be defiled. It's the altar of Jezebel in the city, in Kampala. And I'm saying it openly, in Kampala, there is an active, huge, powerful altar of Jezebel. In Uganda, it's there, and it's in the church. Many ministers, many prophets, many apostles, many teachers are prostituting with the altar of Jezebel in this nation. Many. And we are now at a gate, a strategic gate of this nation. We miss 70 years. We miss this time. We miss it now. Because by next year, many will be cut off. Many men of God, many fathers will be cut off, will be buried. Many will be. Because now the Jezebel, because he knows there's no next generation. He knows there's no man of God. No one of your sons can take over from you, be it biological or spiritual. Because now, after they've finished that, your sons cannot take on. Because Jezebel attacks sons. You see, many people are losing their sons. Others are losing their mind. Others are losing their friends. Why? That's how the altar of Jezebel destroys a nation. The altar of Jezebel destroys a nation by destroying the next generation. Our sons, today our sons cannot pray, cannot raise the altar of God, cannot do what we are doing. They are so blinded and defiled, so polluted, so captured by the altar of Jezebel. And even you cannot advise them. Even when you warn them, my son, you are being taken, they cannot even hear, because the altar of Jezebel that stripped us has now destroyed the potential in our children.